Wanted to showcase our little shower house slash bathroom here at the farm. It's great because it sits outdoors really close to our sleeping cabins, and then also our party barn area and the courtyard. It makes for a really nice outdoor restroom during events, but also a great little shower house for people staying in the cabins. Actually, I use this a lot anyway because it's so neat and easy to get to. I don't have to worry about cleaning that glass on our inside house shower. So I'll take you inside. It is 18 feet long by 10 feet deep. It's a simple 2x4 shed we actually got from Weaver Barns, and then we insulated it, ran the plumbing to it. We were very fortunate. There was an old mobile home here, had its own septic on the back of this property. You could easily plumb this into your home's, plumbing system or city sewer or whatever, but we were fortunate enough to have that. So we also put a cistern to this, about 1,500 gallons, which allows for a lot of water usage. People ask, how long does that last? That's easily 3 months worth right there. So I'll bring you inside. We did the epoxy floors. This is on-demand propane gas heat for the water system, and I'll show you that in a second. Both sides are identical. We have the lavatory, the mirror. We opt for the battery-powered towel dispensers and soap dispensers. They're so nice, they keep it clean. And then on this side, we installed a little cabinet system for extra towels, soap, toilet paper, everything to hold. We went with the metal walls, very easy to do and very inexpensive, and then the shiplap walls up top. Metal's nice for a shower house because it keeps everything clean. You can wipe it down. My wife always goes the extra mile. She put the baby changing station in this side for people when we're having events, and it really works out well. So again, you have the commode, the shower, everything on this side. Each bathroom is about 10 feet by 9 feet wide, 10 feet deep. And let me take you to the other side and show you the system and also the bathhouse. So this is the other side. I've opened the curtain on this side's bath and shower so you can see how we plumbed it in. Very easy. Concrete floors, and then we, instead of acid staining these, we did the epoxy. Same system with the lavatory and everything in the same place. The only difference is instead of the closet on this side, we have this little area that actually houses the on-demand water heater. And people always ask us about the floors. Yes, this is the same system. If you wanted to heat this thing year-round, you could run it right through the floors. We have a cistern, and there's the well pump, pulls from that. And then you see the UV light. We truck in purified city water for our cisterns here. We can't dig wells out here, but for about a penny and a half a gallon, it's really not bad. The tank on this, I want to say, I think this is a 1,400 gallon tank. Easily enough to last 3 to 4 months without having to fill it. So not really a big expense at all, and you don't have to worry too much. But as you can see, very compact design, just a 10 by 18 building. We have a propane tank, a little bit larger propane tank on the back of this. I'll take you around and kind of show it to you here. The back side of this, and I think we filled this 2 years ago, and it's still about 60% full. So powering this is not an issue at all. We just brought power from our power from near the house out to this, and yes, it makes great storage on the back for your kayaks as well. But really simple system, a really simple shed turned into an outdoor bathroom and shower house, and we really enjoy this, and so do the people that come to the farm for its ease of use. As far as cost, people always want to know. The shed, I think, was right somewhere. We got this a couple years ago. I want to say 8,000 to 10,000 bare bones. Then we went to work. I think we probably have about $1,500 in finishing it out. So not a whole lot. And then, just the fixtures and the unit. The tank unit, again, for something like this is a little over $3,000, but you're done. Once you have that in, you have endless hot water for your guests or for you. This would make a great pool house, a great anything outdoors when you're looking for any type of a restroom situation.